Cookery Grade 10, Quarter 3. Prepare stocks, sauces and soups, and poultry and game dishes. Our topic is cook poultry and game bird dishes. Principles of poultry cookery. The fat distribution and maturity of the fowl affect the quality of the product. Mature birds are best cooked using moist heat. Dry heat is suitable for young birds. Number 1, the best cooking temperature for poultry is at low to moderate heat. This temperature range produces a more flavorful and tender product. This also minimizes nutrient loss and shrinkage of the meat. Number 2, to prevent the risk of microbial contamination, stuffing of turkey and chickens should be done immediately before roasting. It is best not to fill the cavity completely, as this will prevent the poultry from being thoroughly cooked. Number 3, because of its susceptibility to microbial growth, cooked poultry should be eaten immediately or refrigerated if not consumed. Leftover stuffing should be stored separately to prevent contamination. Number 4, because poultry meat is pale colored, it is best to employ dry heat cooking with fat for a brown color. When roasting chicken, cuts should be placed with the breast side down to produce a juicier and tenderer product. Number 6, to improve the palatability of lean poultry meat, basting can be done. Cause of food spoilage and contamination. All food should be safe and free from contamination and spoilage at all points in its journey from its source until it reaches the consumers. However, food contamination is a serious public health problem resulting in foodborne diseases that affect many people every year. Hence, awareness of the potential sources of food contamination is an important component of good nutrition and good health. Food may be contaminated by different microorganisms or by chemicals that can cause health problems for anyone who eats it. The following are the common causes of food contamination and food spoilage. Number 1, failure to properly refrigerate food. Number 2, failure to thoroughly heat or cook food. Number 3, infected employees or workers because of poor personal hygiene practices. Number 4, foods prepared a day or more before they are served. Number 5, raw, contaminated ingredients incorporated into foods that receive no further cooking. Number 6, cross-contamination of cooked foods through improperly cleaned equipment. Number 7, failure to reheat foods to temperature that kills bacteria. And number 8, prolonged exposure to temperatures favorable to bacterial growth. Poultry cookery. Poultry, like any other meat, may be cooked either dry or moist heat method. The choice of method depends mainly upon the age of the bird instead of location of the part in the carcass, as in the case of meats. Fat content should also be taken into consideration. Number 1 is the moist heat method. As discussed earlier in this lesson, chicken are categorized into classes, and all classes of chicken and other poultry for the matter that it may be cooked by moist heat cookery. Common Filipino dishes are tinola, sinampalukang manok, manok na pinaupo, and relleno. Number 2, the dry heat method. The dry heat method is usually reserved for young tender poultry. The poultry class of this chicken is especially termed broilers and fryers. Somewhat older but still immature birds, such as capons and roasters, are also suitable for roasting. They are still tender but have more fat than broilers or fryers. Older birds need to be tenderized by moist cooking prior to dry heating cooking. One point to remember in poultry cookery, Moist heat cookery may be applied to all classes and kinds of poultry, but dry heat cookery is reserved for tender birds. Steps in fabricating chicken. Number 1, cut along center of breastbone. Number 2, here you can view the cut made. Number 3, using the knife. Scimitar may be preferred but a fillet knife would work well too. Cut along one side of the breastbone to the base of the chicken. Number 4, separate the skin that is attached to breast from leg quarter. Number 5, with your thumb under the wing joint, pressed upward and out to separate joint. Number 6, with knife, cut between joint to remove and cut any skin not separated from the carcass yet. Number 8, here is the picture of detached breast and wing. Number 9, cut around wing joint to remove the wing. Number 10, a small piece of meat located on underside of the breast that can be removed by pulling the tenderloin. Goods for chicken tenders. Repeat steps 3 to 9 for the other side of the breast. Number 11, cut around leg quarter going up high towards backbone, then circling down towards other side. Number 12, halfway through, you will hit the joint. Number 13, using your thumb, push up and out to snap apart joint. Number 14, finish cut through joint to remove leg quarter. Repeat steps 10 to 13 for the other leg quarter. Steps in deboning chicken. Step 1, place the chicken breast side up on a clean cutting surface. Stretch out each wing flat against the board by pulling the tip. With a boning knife, cut off the wing tip and neck joint, leaving the largest wing bone still attached. Number 2, at the neck, cut out the wishbone by pulling the skin up and out of the way and sliding the knife along the underside of the wishbone. Continue cutting around and under the wishbone until it is free and can be pulled out with your fingers. Step 3, turn the bird over and with breast side down, cut along the backbone from the neck to the tail. Number 4, with short, sharp strokes of your knife, keeping the knife close to the bones, cut the flesh and skin, carefully using fingers to pull the flesh away from the carcass. Cut through the ball and socket joints, connecting the wing and thigh bones to the carcass, so that they are separated from the carcass but still attached to the skin. When step is completed on both sides, meat must be attached only along the ridge of the breastbone. Gently, because the skin tears easily, pull to separate the breastbone and carcass from the flesh. Step 5, cut the flesh from the curved bone near the wing and remove the bone. Step 6, the partially boned bird with leg and wing bones left in is now ready for stuffing. Number 7, while holding the wing bone from inside the bird, cut through the tendons and scrape the meat from the bone with the knife. Pull out the bone using the knife to free it. Step 8, cut off end of the leg bone using a cleaver or thick-bladed cook's knife. Note, the use of cook's knife for chopping through chicken bone is acceptable for this application, but not recommended for cutting through other bone. Step 9. Repeat step number 7 to remove the leg bone. Reposition wing and leg meat so skin side is out. And step 10, the whole chicken is now completely deboned with the skin intact and ready to be stuffed, rolled, and roasted. Now, you are ready for rellenong manok recipe or stuffed deboned chicken.